In this video, I will show you that how we can do button hopper effect in Figma. It's something like, you can say like this, when I'm just going to hover in a button, it changes the color, or it's can be something like this. So it's very simple. Let me show you. So first of all, let's work on these two buttons. As you can see, I already taken this both of them. So I will give you this file in my video description, so you can just simply download it and you can do the practice. And here you will get to see the multiple pages in there, let's say 3 or 4. You can simply go to this specific video. Let's say right now this video is for the interactive buttons and hover effect, so you can check this. When you're just going to check this video, check this page. Okay, anyway, let's move in. Now first of all, I'm just going to select this both of this button, and let's click on here this arrow and this component arrow, and just select create component set. Just create it, and as you can see now we just created a component 1. So I'm just going to be changing it. Let's say button 4. I'm just typing in button 4, and now what I need to do, I need to double click on this, and then I need to click on here this prototype. And as you can see now, again, if I click on there, then I get to see a plus icon. So if I simply drag into this the next button, it's automatically linked. And now I need to select that what I personally want. Let's say if I like to go with while hovering, then it's going to be set up while hovering. And then I need to set up here that which page. This is right now is field button 5. This button, I mean this button. And now I'm just going to select here, let's say smart animation. And now I'm just going to select here ease in and out. And that's it. And now what I need to do, I just need to go here and I need to click on a new frame, and let's select a desktop, and I'm simply coming to here, and let's click on here again, here this component icon, and simply drag and drop here the icon, and let's click on this desktop and let's see the preview. Alright, so now as you can see, when I'm just going to hover it, it really works fine. And it's also have another method. Let's say if you see that like you cannot link it, then what you can do, you can simply, let me remove it. You can simply remove here this link from here. Let's say you were just trying to join it, but you cannot. Then what you can do, simply select the button where you like to do the interaction, and then let's click on here this button. Then choose here what you want. Let's say while hovering, and then select here what you want. Let's say change to what it's going to be changed. So I like to go with this button 5, because as you can see, this is the button 4 and this is the button 5, as you can see. And now I'm just going to make it smart animation, and now as you can see, it's ease in and ease out. I'm select here, and I think that it's going to be work the same. As you can see, it's now work exactly same as it is. All right, so now let's move to the next one. So the next one is going to be same as it is. So I'm just going to be select both of them and make them as a component set. And as you can see now, it's already taken a name. But I like to just double click on here. So this is something that normal, we can say it's default, and this is something after hover. So we can say like this is a hover. So as you can see now it's changed, but do not remove here this property 1. Do not remove this. You can only change the content after the equal. So now as you can see, I type hover and it's now changed. So what I need to do, I need to double click again in here, and right now make sure that you are just select here this prototype, and now just simply link to this. And now again select here while hovering, and I'm just going to be in dissolve, and now ease in ease out, and 300 milliseconds. Now cross it, and let's come back again the next page and click on here with this component icon, and simply drag and drop here the stroke button. Now you're not going to be see anything because of the white color. So let's click on this main desktop one and go to design. Let's change the color a little bit. Let's say right now it's red. So let me put it together. And let's go here again, run this, and as you can see, we get to see the animation in here, and this is the another one. Okay, so I hope now you understand how to make this. Now let's simply place it out here. So it's very simple to do. So let's simply copy here this white one, simply Control C or Command C, then come back again here this header and double click, and simply click on here this container and paste it, and remove here the old one. So I just remove it. And let's again come back to the next one. Simply just click on here and copy it, and come back again and simply double click and simply paste it. And I'm just going to be deleting the previous one. And now let's click on here this 3 and click on here this preview button. Now as you can see, it really works fine.